Today we are going to make something that is going to satiate your 4 baje wali bhook. We are making Makhana Bhel Puri. Let's see how to make it. I'm going to approach this in a very simplistic manner. First, I'm going to prepare a chivda that will last you the entire week, and you can make the Bhel Puri out of it as you like it throughout the week. So we're going to start by roasting our makhana. This is 1.5 cup of makhana. I'm adding it to a hot pan with 1 teaspoon of ghee, and I'm going to roast this while continuously stirring it. Makhana readily absorbs moisture from the air, that's why every time you use it, you have to roast it. If you want to use the oven to roast your makhana, you can bake it at 120 degrees Celsius for good 10 to 12 minutes. You can also do that in an air fryer. Just use low heat so that the makhana stays crispy for longer. To check if your makhana is roasted properly, just pick a big piece up, break it. If it doesn't break easily or crumble in your hands, it's not done yet. Once the makhana is nicely roasted, make a well in the center and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. We're going to make a tadka. We're going to add a little bit of red chilli powder and turmeric and quickly mix it. Now we're going to season the makhana with salt. A pinch should be enough. Toss it around and remove it in a bowl. Next, we are going to fry some peanuts. These are 1/4 cup of peanuts. The peanuts smell like they have roasted and they also have a golden brown color. So I'm just going to remove them, making sure I'm removing any of the excess oil. I'm going to add it to the makhana directly. I'm adding potato Farali mixture, which has potato sulli, some salted peanuts, cashews, raisins and all of that. I'm just going to add it directly. Now into this I'm going to add some crushed up puris, which are used for Chef Puri. I'm going to season this with Chaat Masala and some black salt. Let's toss this around. And our dry makhana bhel is ready. The dry makhana bhel mixture can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week. Now let's turn this into our bhel puri. I'm going to add in some wet ingredients to this. First, I'm going in with some tomatoes. This is 1 chopped tomato, finely chopped onion. This is a small onion. Next, I'm adding in some pomegranate seeds. This will add a nice taste and texture to your bhel. I'm going to add in some chopped coriander. I'm adding in some Imli ki chutney, which is sweet and sour. Add this as per your taste, but make sure to serve this immediately as soon as you make it. Next, I'm adding in some spicy mint chutney. We're going to toss this. Our makhana bhel is ready to serve. I'm going to garnish this with thin save, some more pomegranate seeds and chopped coriander. Serve this with some more puris. Our sweet, spicy, tangy and crunchy makhana bhel is ready to serve. Try this out and let me know how you like it. I'm Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.